Alright, so I set the bike up and we'll do the bike check. So, first what we're going to do is start with the grips. I got the Colt Vans grips. They're really nice. I like them. We're going to set the bike up like that. And this one has throttle grip. I'm going to fix that soon. And that one's fine, but I like these grips a lot. They're nice. I have the gyro brake set now. That's a new addition to my bike. One of them. It's really nice. The Odyssey. Honestly, it's so many brands mixed together, so I can't really tell you. I have the Matt 1 Ray bars, aka the Ray bars. The Sabrosa ones. I got a stolen stem. It's pretty much backwards, but anyways, yeah, you see it's stolen. I got the light for, anytime I'm riding at night. Obviously, I know it works. Alright. We go down to the frame now. This is the most important part, alright? As soon as I met this guy, he's a dope rider. You all may know him. His name is Matt Ray. This is his signature frame. It's the black MR1 frame. Okay, Matt 1 Ray. He rides for Sabrosa and Shadow. He's cool. I met him in person. I rode with him a lot. I also got his signature seat. I'm gonna be getting his new one that's coming out. Well, that already came out. Getting the new one soon. I think I already explained the gyro, obviously. For tires, I got Fuego. I like the Fuego tires a lot. They're beautiful. They're nice. Now, I'm not really a street rider. I don't like street. I'm more of a park rider. I love height and I love distance. So, these tires are pretty much really good for that. They go up to 120. I'm pretty sure I said it right. Fuego tires. Alright. For the rim, for the back rim, I have a Salt Plus Free Coaster. Obviously, if I've had problems with cassettes, I don't like them. It's annoying. I have, obviously I have the hub guards with it. I got that. Obviously, I got the beautiful grenade cap. I have a nice one back plastic peg and two front metal pegs. Obviously, this one's a Shadow one. That one's supposed to be plastic, but then it kept falling off. The plastic sleeve kept on falling off this one, so I had to put it on this one, which made it tighter. Now that one will not slip off at all. That's why I like it. This front rim right here, obviously another Fuego. I don't know what kind of rim this is. If you guys know, let me know. Let me know. I think they took off the comments now, so you can't really do that. Also, I got another grenade cap right there. Now, these are Sabrosa Noster forks. Obviously. I like them a lot. They've had these for about a year and a half. But, yeah, a year and a half now. And they're really strong. I like them. I pull my fives perfectly. And, it's great for, park riding, street riding. I mean, I'll go street riding when my friends go street riding, but I won't go street riding myself. Like, I'm not that kind of person. So, for the pedals, I got the Odyssey Twisted pedals in black. Now, I've had these for at least a month and a half, at least. Honestly, I don't know what the hell that thing went. I was right here. But, during this video too, as I'm done with the bike check, I got these brand new white Odyssey Twisted pedals, and I'll be putting these on. Oh no, it's already dirty. Oh well. And obviously it has the rights and left. Honestly, because I don't know my fucking rights to left. we have the Snafu Mayweather cranks. As you guys see there, the Snafu ones. 175 millimeter. We have the Shadow Conspiracy, what is it? Shadow Conspiracy something. I forgot what it was. But I love this thing a lot. I have the full link chain. I like it. Because the other one, the half link ones are a pain in the ass to do. And let's go over my stickers on my bike. Alright? So there's one inappropriate one, but hopefully you guys can handle that. I have hashtag that BMX post. By the way, guys, yes, this is a dent. Alright? I didn't want my bike hitting my nuts. I had this one, alright? Obviously, I'm not going to read it out because you know how YouTube is. I have, let's see, let's turn this bike around, alright? I also have that BMX post on that side too with the purple tape on it, which I should probably fix. I had the Shadow. And also that Subaru 1K with the thing too. I don't know what kind of bottom bracket I have. But honestly, I really don't care because, yeah. I also have the Black Ops seat post. I had this one for about 4 years. I like it. It's beautiful. Can we focus it? There we go. I love that Black Ops. And yes, guys, I do snowboard, if you're wondering. I do snowboard. So, that's it for the bike check. But, honestly, I'd recommend getting one of these, frames. It doesn't come in a complete, sadly. If it did, I'd be buying it, for sure. For damn sure, I'd be buying it. But, yeah, I love this bike. Beautiful. I had no problems with it. Honestly, to be honest with you, it might look dirty on camera, which it is. Yes, it's dirty. But, I love, it's, the reason why it's dirty is because when I was coming back from school, obviously it was raining a little bit. I didn't want to take the bus because I had pegs on here and you know how they are. They wouldn't let me on the train with the bike. And, so I had no choice but to ride home in the rain. Again, I live in Winthrop. My school is in East Boston. And, if you guys are ever around, I'm either at Winthrop Skate Park during the week, or on the weekends I'm at Lynch, or if I'm on vacation I go to Lynch. But obviously go to my Instagram, MadisSavage_BMX, and hit me up whenever you're around. I'll DM you back. I'm on Instagram every day, so I'll see your DMs. And I'll be sure to meet up with you, ride with you. And yeah, so let's get these pedals on this bike. So I'm gonna go set this down, and we'll put the pedals on the bike. Alright, so guys, so obviously I edit on iMovie, and apparently there's only a 15-minute limit for YouTube. So obviously I didn't record the pedal installed, but as you guys see, I got the new pedals installed. Alright. Just know these are really good pedals. I recommend them. They're really cool. Alright. But yeah. So that's the whole bike check and pedal install. Well, you know what I mean. I didn't do the pedal install. But yeah. Anyways. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.